They have helmets on like they're pilots. That's crazy.
It's training. Evan, do you see?
Yeah.
You do?
He's like, don't drop me.
He's in land of where those guys are.
Wow, that is like some precision flying. You got like a human life on the end of that wire. Like, you make a bad mistake and run into that tree and he's screwed. Oh, they're like picking up. They're, yeah, simulating picking up something. I wonder if those things have like a GPS hold on it where it can like stay in place like that, or if it's a pilot that's holding
No,
it there.
there's definitely a pilot in there.
I know, but I mean, do they have autopilot to hold it in place,
I
or
mean, there's a little bit of autopilot, but not much.
so there's an actual pilot holding
Yes.
that thing in place?
If you look closely, you can see the propellers on the top tilting, and that's how they control. It's not actually more thrust.
Now he's hoisting up a basket of
Person.
thing.
There's somebody hanging off the side.
Crazy.
So crazy.